What's up guys, Lucas here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick comparison review between NordVPN and VyprVPN. So if you've been wondering which is the better VPN service, well then you are in the right place. Alright, now both NordVPN and VyprVPN are quality services with loyal fan bases, and both are amazing at bypassing geo-blocks so users have access to US Netflix and websites censored in China. In fact, with their proprietary chameleon technology, VyprVPN is one of the best VPNs for China out there. Plus, both have top-of-the-line security features including AES 256-bit encryption and NAT firewall. Technically, they also both have kill switches, although some users have reported that Vypr's kill switch doesn't always kick in. So, which VPN is better? Well, keep watching and let's see which one will best fit your needs. As usual, the first thing that I tested was the speed of each VPN. And with unlimited bandwidth and lots of servers in many countries, NordVPN and VyprVPN both offer fast connections and high speeds. That, plus their excellent capabilities for bypassing geo-restrictions, makes them both great options for anyone looking for a smooth streaming experience. Now, as for servers, VyprVPN has more than 700 servers in 64 countries, but that doesn't compete with NordVPN's larger network of more than 5,100 servers in 60 countries. And then when it comes to customer support, NordVPN definitely beats VyprVPN as well. That's because even though VyprVPN technically has a live chat option, it's not always responsive. Unfortunately, other methods of getting in touch like email and ticketing system are also sometimes very slow. On the other hand, NordVPN provides really fast and helpful answers on all their customer support platforms, which includes a 24/7 live chat. Another win for Nord is that VyprVPN doesn't give any refunds, but NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. And then as for user experience, I found that NordVPN is easy to install and use, and it maintains fast and reliable connections. It also offers a number of protocols and has apps for basically every major operating system. And where NordVPN goes above and beyond is when it comes to customer service and security. In addition to solid encryption and DNS/IP leak protection, NordVPN also offers antivirus protection and an ad blocker. And then VyprVPN offers a simple to use, reliable service that's great at accessing geo-blocked content. And if you're traveling to China, it really is one of the best VPNs you can choose. And that's because it's the only VPN that uses chameleon technology, a means of masking the highly secure OpenVPN protocol, which is generally blocked by the Chinese government. So if the reason you want a VPN is for anonymous torrenting, VyprVPN is not a good choice. Even though they technically allow P2P, if they receive a notice of copyright infringement, they'll suspend your account and won't be issued a refund. Now, as far as pricing, VyprVPN is significantly cheaper, starting at just under $2 a month with support for up to 30 devices. Still, I think that NordVPN offers better value with its bigger server network and comprehensive customer support options. So we come down to the question, which VPN should you choose? Well, to be honest, Vypr's chameleon protocol makes it the ideal VPN for bypassing the Great Chinese Firewall. However, Vypr doesn't allow for torrenting on their servers, while NordVPN has fast, dedicated P2P servers. Again, with NordVPN, you'll pay a bit more, but you have the benefit of a bigger and more reliable server network, boosting your VPN experience. So hopefully this video was helpful. If so, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, as that always makes my day. And just a reminder, if you are interested in trying out NordVPN, please be sure to check out the special discount links I'll put down in the description area below, so that way you can save some extra money. Also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the cyber family. All right, guys, please be sure to stay safe out there, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.